Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I found an amazing self-watering pot to water my plants the right way from the bottom. Allow them to have the drink that they want with these 8-inch T4U planters. It fulfills the needs that I have for my little plants that struggle. So this guy really wants a water from the bottom. You simply pour a little water in here and the string in the bottom will keep feeding your plant exactly what it needs. So you simply take the absorbent rope and push it through the tiny hole on the bottom. That allows the moisture to wick up through and water your plant from the bottom up. All I need to do is remember to fill this once a week and we're good to go. This little guy should be looking good in no time. He already has a few new starts. This is really beneficial to plants that struggle. There's the little string that you slide up into the plant so that it can take a little drink whenever it wants. If you just want to stop murdering those plants, they're helpless, right? Just get these. Pretty sure they're going to thank you whenever they learn how to talk. But that's my point of view.